Welcome to this quick and simple tutorial on how to send money through PayPal using the friends and family option. This feature is perfect when you're sending money to someone you trust, like a friend, a family member, or someone you're gifting money to. I'll guide you step by step so you can avoid extra fees and complete the transfer easily and safely. Let's get started. First is, of course, go to paypal.com and log in. After that, click Send from the top menu. After that, enter the email or phone number or name of the person. After you already search or put the email or phone number or name of the person, enter the amount and click Continue. Click Next. After that, select your payment method. After you enter the amount, choose Sending to a friend when prompted. So you have two options here, either for goods and services or for friends and family. So you need to choose for friends and family, and then hit continue. After that, um, make sure you already selected your payment method, and after that, just click send and review and click the send payment now. So, important reminders: use friends and family only with people you trust. Know buyer protection if something goes wrong. And if you're paying for goods or services, always use the goods and services option. And final tip: friends and family is best for personal, trusted transfers. If someone asks you to use it for a purchase, that's a red flag. Stay safe and send smart. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.